Telodon C8 AXS, disc brakes, 451, wheel set, 24 speed. This is the ultimate carbon folding bike to equip the DAHON-V technologies, best for both urban commuting and outdoor performance. For urban cyclists in the quest for unique fashion, this is the best choice. The frame is crafted with the unique T800 high-strength carbon fiber. The ergonomic size gives you a comfortable ride, with an intricate and exquisite design. The fork is vertically widened for improved frame rigidity. The top tube goes smoothly into the seat stays, forming a beautiful straight line with significant rigidity. This bike incorporates unique folding bike designs from DAHON-V technology suite. DAHON-V tech further improves the rigidity of the entire bike and enhances the speed of all categories of bicycles. It has been featured in many leading international media outlets, including Forbes, Reuters, and Bloomberg, gaining widespread attention in the industry. DelTec. This innovative technology excels in safety, durability, and speed. It transforms the single-beam folding bike frame into a stable triangular structure. This reduces the load on the folding mechanism, increases load capacity, and significantly extends frame lifespan. Frame rigidity improves by 15%, effectively converting pedaling force into propulsion, faster than most road and gravel bikes. The DelTec cable doesn't interfere with folding, while binding brake and gear cables for a clean and streamlined appearance. Super down tube. With a larger diameter, the down tube is flattened at both ends near the bottom bracket and main tube, significantly increasing coupling strength. Rigidity improves by more than 10% in both vertical and horizontal directions, enhancing pedaling efficiency and ease of riding. Combined with the DelTec cable, the bike becomes safer and climbs more efficiently. All new internal V hinge. The strong, double internal V mechanism locks the frame together, making it more durable and reliable, achieving better performance. It offers smooth operation, quick folding, and a clean look. A detachable tool is located at the rear dropout for ease of use. Integrated carbon handlepost. With great performance on this new upgrade, the handlepost is rounder and 15% lighter than similar aluminum handleposts. The oval-shaped tube effectively improves lateral rigidity and reliability. The quick release is forged and CNC machined for simpler locking mechanism, making it lighter and more reliable. The safety lock is hidden within the handle for automatic locking and easy operation. The road bike handlebar folds and unfolds easily thanks to the outward folding handle post. Seat post clamp. Circular structure at the rear end of the handle ensuring easy operation and safe riding experience. The handlebar uses a double clamp connection, adjustable up and down. The 580mm aluminum alloy seat post is light and easy to adjust for different riders and riding styles. With DAHON's quality, this bike is built to last. As the first DAHON bike to utilize universal derailleur hanger, its SRAM 24-speed electronic shifting offers clear, smooth, and precise shifting. The 3750T carbon fiber chainring paired with a 1033T cassette provides smooth, powerful pedaling. Our high-performance carbon fiber disc brake wheels are lightweight, durable, and offer smooth braking, even at high tire pressures. With over 40 years of history, DAHON's founder, Dr. Han, is regarded as the father of folding bikes. DAHON has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the largest folding bike manufacturer, holding over 500 international patents over the years, including industry-leading innovations. Most folding bikes worldwide incorporate 5 to 6 DAHON folding technologies, embedding DAHON's DNA. Choosing DAHON means choosing trust and quality. With DAHON's perfect folding technology, you're embracing a light, fast, stylish, and refreshing new lifestyle.